This is a 1999 52-inch Hunter Original in black. I picked this up a couple of years ago out of Greenwood, about an hour and 45 minutes from me. But it came complete. Came with a antique brass forearm light fitter, but I ordered a cap for it. It's pretty nice fan overall. It's got the walnut side facing down. That's how I got it. I don't like the oak side because I think it looks faker than the walnut side. But yeah, it's USA made, and it's just a beautiful fan. I'll talk about where I've seen these fans. First of all, local to me is a gas station called Red Robin. They have 3 of these, but with the oak side facing down. Next up we have a, well, there was a restaurant downtown called Bellacino's, like an Italian heroes and Italian sandwiches, and they had 4 gloss black originals with the swivel canopies, but that place closed down and they took down the fans before I could even get to them. Next, not so local, was we went to Chicago. They had Uno's Pizzeria, and they had, well, the one we went to had about 20 or so gloss black 5-blade originals. And I think these are just very classy fans. Take it up to medium. These are very common where I'm from, very common down here in the south. And then Casa de Campo had truckloads of these everywhere you went that have black or brown originals, mostly brown, but some, you'd see a couple of black ones. I'm pretty sure they're all gone by now, but that was 15 years ago. Medium blows a good breeze. I did not take this fan apart for cleaning. I just hung it up, put some oil in it, and it seems to run fine. This will be replaced with a brown 5-blade original that I just got done restoring. In fact, the capacitor is on its way for that fan. But until that part arrives, this one will stay here. This is where we leave it on in the summer times, medium. Let's go to high speed. It hauls ass like all originals do. Blows a shit ton of air. It's just a very powerful and durable, strong fan here. Let's do spin down. You'll excuse that noise, it's my dogs playing around. But this reminds me of a Casa de Campo setup. You would have a living room similar to this, with a Hunter original fan in the middle. That's what inspired this install. But this one will be going upstairs in the master bedroom, and then the brown one that I talked about previously will be going here. Now, I like the brown ones better because that's what I grew up with. I did not grow up around black originals. I grew up around brown originals. But this is still semi-childhood for me. Alright, there you have it. That's my 1999 52-inch black original. Thanks for watching.